She's going to be with me for about hour and a half to 2 hours.
Okay.
So
No admittance?
What's that?
No admittance?
You can come while I get her started.
Okay.
Once she's got her injection, you don't want to be back there.
That's all.
Okay.
I just want a little. I document my whole journey. So
Okay.
I need a little footage.
This is the machine we use. You're going to be in that machine about 30 minutes. I got to get you ready first. I'm going to get you ready in this room. Okay?
All right, that one ain't bad.
Yeah.
That looks like a CAT scan machine. So you can get ready in that room. Restroom's right there.
Okay.
What I do? Take off. What?
I got to check your blood sugar. I got to start an IV. I got to give you an injection. And then you're just going to sit.
Okay, so I'm not taking off no clothes.
Not unless you just want to for fun. And you have it. Come on in.
I'm in.
Door will slam shut.
Okay.
You haven't had anything.
What do you got?
No.
They gave you the barium.
Yes.
Perfect. I need to check your blood sugar and I need to start the IV. Which arm am I going to use today? Don't say neither.
I'm gonna say this one. We've seen as how
Okay.
that. You know that one like that, right?
So you want me to do the right? Is that
Yeah.
okay?
Somewhere in here. Just don't do the hands. I hate the hands.
Yeah, I try not to use people's hands because I've had mine stuck before and I didn't like it one little tiny bit.
All right.
So once we give you the injection, we need time for that medicine to circulate and be absorbed. So we're just gonna have you sitting back here. You're gonna sit here for about an hour.
Okay.
After that, take you across the hall, 30 minutes through the machine, and you'll be all finished.
Not too bad.
Not too bad.
They told me about 3 hours. I was like, how would be in the machine 3 hours?
No, not in the machine 3 hours. Just a finger to start with. You know, sometimes it takes a while to get somebody injected. If you can't get the veins going, big stick. You were screaming before I even stuck you.
I know.
Squeeze that.
I probably shouldn't have made eating ice cream. I didn't enjoy it.
Not diabetic, that won't make a bit of difference.
They won't? Okay.
Blood sugar 176.
Oh,
That's on up there. Yeah.
A little up there.
It's still fine for this test.
How much does that barium add to that number?
What's that?
How much does the barium add to that number?
The barium is artificially sweetened, so it won't raise your blood sugar.
If I'm 176, it raised my blood sugar. I would look like this 130. No.
I was going to say 125.
All right, put your arm right there for me. This is going to be tight. I'm going to go ahead and apologize for that. Go ahead and make a tight fist for me. All right, big stick. Here we go. Relax. Are you having any other tests today?
Not that I know of. I need to get an ultrasound of my left breast Monday.
They've got that scheduled.
We said we put it on the 30th, so I'm thinking I want to move it up.
All right, I'm going next door to grab that medicine. When I get back, it'll be time for you to leave us.
Okay.
It should be ready to be picked up in about an hour and a half.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Adam, I want you to get me in the machine so people can see the machine, or we could do the machine now and let people see. Some people never had PET scans before, and it's nice to see what
So that wasn't the spec kit?
that was. Did you
Okay,
get it?
I got it.
Okay. See how the procedures.
Sorry, they got, I don't know why they got the heat on in here, but
I
anyway.
don't know why you got all these bags.
I know.
That don't have to come out the car. I
But
need
just to bring it, all right?
it stays in the car. So it's there. I need the envelope that I got from Hillside. Because while I'm over here, I'm going to her office so she can fill out my paper.
Okay, I got it. Okay. Still filming.
still filming. I don't have too much to say, y'all. So I just wanted to bring y'all into the imaging world when you're battling this cancer or have this newly found cancer diagnosis and all the things they have to do. So today is PET scan day. I've already had 2 MRIs, a CAT scan up my chest, and what else? I had something else. Oh, mammogram. And of course x-rays. I've had probably 3 or 4 x-rays. X-rays really don't show soft tissue. So that's another thing. Beware if something happens to you and you feel like you're injured or something's hurting, don't just take an x-rays result as being the final answer, because my whole cervical spine was broke down and I took an x-ray and they saw nothing on the x-ray. I took an x-ray of my arm when it was hurting. They saw nothing on the x-ray. My labs were normal. You know, the CBC and CMP, those labs and those metabolic rates were normal. No extra calcium, no elevated calcium. So if we had just stuck with routine, they'd still be thinking I'm okay. But I had to push the envelope for myself. I had to tell them, no, my neck is killing me. It won't stop hurting. And finally, I went and got my own MRI. I went and told the doctor, hey, you need to order me an MRI. I need to go. So they did, and I paid for it. And I paid for it out of pocket because I had high deductible insurance. So insurance is a whole nother story I'm going to talk to you guys about very shortly. And I need you to pay attention, and I need you to really apply some of the things I'm telling you so that you don't find yourself in a bad situation. Because this could be 100 times worse. I'm exaggerating, but this could be 10 times worse if I didn't have certain things already set up in place. So while I have a GoFundMe out there that my husband created for me, it's not because I'm broke and don't have money. Y'all know I'm never broke. It is because what's going to happen is this treatment's all this money, right? Say 35 grand, and then I still have to come back to the treatment again 3 months later for a follow-up week, and probably do that for quite some time. So I say it's very important to have everything in place. But we're getting ready to get started with my scan, so I'm going to say bye for right now, but I'm so glad I could bring y'all along and let y'all see how some of this works. And I'll talk to you later.
All right, the chair leans back like a lazy boy. If you just push, blanket for you. I'm gonna turn the lights down.
I got cervical stuff going on. Thank you. You gonna turn the lights
Got
down?
some nice mellow music.
Got some sleepy time music. Straighten that elbow out for me. You can get up and go to the restroom anytime you need to, and it's right next door. And I will be back to get you when it's time to do the test.
Okay.
All right, that's saline. It's time for you to leave us.
I'm so glad we had this time
Together.